What's going on YouTube and cryptocurrency family? My name is Harry and I am the Crypto Vet, and thank you for tuning in. I appreciate all the love and support, the comments and the videos. I know Sarth and some of the others regulars have been coming to see me on Twitch. If you guys need a different time for me to stream, I will stream whenever you guys are available. Like if it's in morning for you, that's better. I will stream whatever time zone makes that work. So I said, just leave me a comment down below. I said, I couldn't do this, guys, without you, and you guys make me a better trader because I'm constantly testing myself to make sure I am giving you information that is accurate, because I'm still learning too. I said, I seem to be pretty good at this, but like we can get better together. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe. All the links are in the description, and let's go ahead and see what the hell happened, because Bitcoin is at $12,761 as of right now. Ethereum is testing that $400, and XRP is above 25 cents. Still can't seem to get above 26 yet. That's our next resistance, which I'll show you here in a second. And if you were watching my other video from 2 days ago, I thought that we would trade sideways, retest 11.5 before, or 11.1 to 11.5 before we went up to these marks, but I was completely wrong. And I said that in the video, that you got to be careful, because this shit can just bam happen like that. So I wasn't actually in any trades, and only because I felt better just holding, because if it went up, there's nothing for me to lose. If I tried to short, I would have lost, and that's just the way it is. Let's see who the biggest gainers are. So far, RSR is up 38%. Not, I believe I looked that up recently, but I don't know much about it. We got Ren, Band, Ampleforth up back to 10%, Sushi Swap up a little bit, and let's go ahead and see what were the biggest losers. Filecoin having issues with mining right now, so the miners have to stake way too much in order to do this, so this is kind of a questionable project right now. But let's go ahead and see what the hell's happening with Bitcoin. If you're following me on Twitter, please follow me on Twitter, XRP Veterinarian. I have right here, I posted this here, that we have broken out of this symmetrical triangle just like we broke out of the previous one. And now, what do we have left? There's almost no volume here on the VPVR because we haven't traded this high in a long time. This is the weekly candle chart, and if we go back to the all-time high here of 19,800 and some change, or whatever it was, what was it? I always forget. 19,663, something like that. Our last high was right here at 13.8, and you can see here Bitcoin is now at 12.7-ish, and that is almost to the highest point that we have been. If we can get above this 13.8, man, it is gonna go crazy. But let's see what's happening now, because we aren't there yet. So on the weekly, we have broken out of this second symmetrical triangle, and we are now testing up. We had no hidden divergences that I can see on RSI. The one thing I still don't like is that our volume is really low. If we could get another volume candle pumped up, way up here, we could easily set this 13.8 from resistance to support, and hot damn, people will start making money in the crypto world. Alts will take a hit for now, but in the end, Bitcoin has to go up, hold there, kind of start a correction before we get another alt season. And that alt season, if Bitcoin's at like 15K, is going to be crazy. It is going to be crazy. Here on the MACD, we kind of had a bearish cross, but now we have a bullish cross to the upside, and we still, we're at the high end on the weekly for the RSI, but if you look back here, we can stay up there for a while and build some support a little bit higher. So there's really, really good news for Bitcoin. The oscillators, which are underneath my face cam here, are all saying strong buy, strong buy. So let's zoom in a little bit. So if we go down here onto the daily, this is the pattern we've had before. We were in this like ascending channel here. We pumped up. We kind of broke out of this resistance here, got rejected, found support on our moving average here, came back, found it on the 20 weekly exponential moving average, which if you guys have been following me, we know is a very, very, very important thing to come back down to and test in a rally. So coming to where we are now, we came down and tested it, confirmed it, came up, tested the daily, confirmed it, then we broke out of this symmetrical triangle. So there's only so many times we can keep breaking out of these symmetrical triangles before eventually we are going to go up and set a new higher high, in the sense of this previous high at 13.8, right? So I'm very, very bullish on Bitcoin right now. Anytime I'm this bullish, I try to find things to tell me I'm wrong. I try to, because if you're wrong and you put a bunch of money into this, that's not good, right? So I can't find anything though. And if anybody does see anything that's really bearish on the technicals, please hop in the Discord, Twitter, something. Tell me that I'm not seeing something, because, like I said, I'm still learning too, and I want to know if I'm missing something. So for right now, we are currently at the 12.7. I do expect a big even resistance at 13,000. And if we were to transfer this over to some fib lines, which I love for any type of breakouts like this, I'm just going to go to the previous high here, and we're going to come down to, oops, let me unzoom this out, and we'll actually just do it from here. Alright, so just so we can have an idea. All the way down to our Corona low. And you can see that there's not much resistance in between us here. And this is still stated by the VPVR. And if we take this and zoom all the way out, so let me delete it. We'll go to the weekly for this to make it much easier. And here we go. Fib retracement, let's go top to bottom. We can see right now that the 0.618 is where we're at. And I was trying to do this before, but I kind of wanted to show you how I draw these so you can see what how these come on. So this bottom here, I'm putting at the bottom of the previous rally, if I can get it lined up correctly. So that green dotted line is where the start of the rally in 2017 was, and I went all the way up to the top. So we're doing a complete fib retracement of all of Bitcoin from back the first rally to now. And we can see that we are right now on the 0.618 fib line. And this is a very, very, very crucial pocket. A lot of people will call this the golden pocket from here up to the 0.65 above. So, you know, if we can maintain and hold above this 12,750, I am very, very bullish, and I don't think I would be shorting Bitcoin for quite a bit until we set a high, and I feel like we are really oversold or overbought, and I want to see a little bit of a correction. So for right now, I think longs are going to be the smartest thing you could do, and we'll just wait to see how this fills out. We'll see if we can come up and actually touch this 13.5 in this ascending channel here quickly, but you know, we could find support here on this 50%. Since we have pumped a lot, we may just go here. So if you wanted my prediction, I think we'll potentially go up to touch that, but more likely we're gonna just come like this and then maybe go up. So we'll see. I know everybody likes to know my actual predictions, and this here I think is a high likelihood. I think another likelihood would be to come back down, and right here at this line, the 12,000 big even, we would find support. We can see that this was big resistance previously, and that would be a very good correction point if we don't hold the 50% of this ascending channel. But let's go ahead and go over to Ethereum. I already have the fib lines drawn here. Ethereum seems to be lagging a little bit behind Bitcoin. We're struggling now at the 0.618. Again, a very crucial area there. This is little golden pocket, right? And here, if we can get above the $400, I think Ethereum will quickly get back up to where it was previously, all the way up here close to the $500 mark. But I'd like to see it first overcome the 438-ish, and of course this 400. We had a bullish cross on the MACD previously about a week ago, and we're at a good place on the RSI. Volume is coming in. There's news with ETH 2.0. The Zinkin, I believe, testnet was successful. So lots and lots of good things. I actually saw on Ivan on Tech a really cool video with Vitalik Buterin just clapping, and it was like an EDM dance music video. I'll try to find that and throw it in the Discord. It made me laugh. So, all right, and then last on XRP, you'll notice that we are actually at the bottom here, trying to sustain support on both the daily and weekly exponential moving averages here. If we zoom in a little bit, we can see that we are following this ascending channel. This was the head and shoulders that I was thinking of, but we never beat 0.26, so I did not long or actually take the trade because I was waiting for confirmation above this fib line, and it didn't happen. And I hope you guys didn't make the trade either, because XRP tends to lag and likes to trade sideways longer than anybody else. So we're waiting to see here. You can see at the 50% here at 25.60, we're having trouble. So if we can get above that and this fib line, the 26, I can easily see a huge pump on XRP, because XRP likes to go ballistic. And look, there's no volume. There's no volume up here. We haven't been trading. These people who had orders on the books, high, low, whatever it was, they've been taken off, and all the trading volume is right here. So a pump up to 30 cents could happen in 10 minutes. This is what XRP likes to do. So right now, with Bitcoin doing explosive moves, we could see XRP shoot up with it. But remember, this is still technically an altcoin, and if money is leaving the alts to go into Bitcoin, alts tend to go down, right? So be careful trading right now on XRP and a lot of the alts. Now is the time when they're going down to accumulate. So if there's any alts you like, start buying. So I will be trying to buy some more XRP here in the short term. But all right, let's go. That's going to be it for today. You guys have a good one, and I'll catch you in the next video.